Destination B1, Unit 12, Part 2, Number 18, Mild. Adjective. Mild weather is warm and pleasant. Example, it was a mild winter. 19. Name. Verb. It is to know and say what the name of someone or something is. Second, to give someone or something a name. Example, how many world capitals can you name? 20. Origin. It is the place or moment at which something begins to exist. Example, meteorites may hold clues about the origin of life on Earth. 21. Planet. It is a very large round object that moves around the sun or around another star. Example, Mars is sometimes known as the red planet. 22. Reserve. Reserve means to take care of something in order to prevent it from being harmed or destroyed. Example, we work hard to preserve historic buildings. 23. Recycle. It is to treat waste materials so that they can be used again. Example, let's recycle those old bottles. 24. Reptile. A reptile is a type of animal, such as a snake, lizard, that lays eggs and whose body is covered in scales. Example, crocodiles are reptiles. 25. Rescue somebody or something. It is to save someone from a dangerous or unpleasant situation. Example, the crew of the ship were rescued just before it sank. 26. Rescue. It is an act of saving someone or something from danger or from an unpleasant situation. Example, firefighters carried out the dangerous rescue. 27. Satellite. It is an object that is sent into space to travel around the Earth in order to receive instant information. Second, is it a natural object such as a moon that moves around a planet? Example, there are a lot of satellites above the Earth. 26. Shower. It is a short period when it rains. Example, tonight there is a 50% chance of showers. 29. Solar system. It is the sun and the group of planets that move around it. Example, how many planets are there in our solar system? 30. Species. Species means a plant or animal group whose members all have similar general features and are able to produce young together. Example, over 120 species of birds have been recorded in this national park. 31. Thunder. Thunder is the loud noise that you sometimes hear in the sky during a storm. Example, listen to that thunder. 32. Wild. A wild animal or plant lives or grows on its own in natural conditions and is not raised by humans. Example, this behavior is common in both domestic and wild dogs. 33. Wildlife. It means animals, birds, and plants that live in natural conditions. Example, a lot of the local wildlife is in danger. Thank you for listening.